Hey there, yo, coming at you guys with an update. So we're prepping the turn signal mirrors, and one of the things we're doing is we are using a Dremel here. If you guys can see this right here, it's a Dremel. It's a simple one from Harbor Freight, nothing special. And basically we are dremeling out a little notch, just like that. So both the inside and so that the main reason we're doing that is so we can run the wire through here like this, and then I'm gonna drill 2 holes in between. So the 2 screw holes, the 2 mirror mount screws are right here and here. I'm gonna drill a hole in the middle right here and feed the wire through the middle under the mirror right here. So it's a very clean install. I believe Cycle Cruiser did a video in using this sort of method, and I kind of liked it, so I'm going to use that. So just giving y'all an update before we throw on these sick mirrors. After using the Dremel to fill in the paint, I just used something pretty simple. This Rust-Oleum scratch chip repair that you use on cars and stuff. So it pretty much it'll stick to the metal pretty well and cover up the metal and prevent any rusting or anything. So little touch-up tip. Same with the simple drill bit. Hole number 1. That one's focused. Hole number 1 and hole number 2.